With our device turned on, we come to the bottom left. From here we go to Search. Now, we can search the different views for each of the cameras we have connected. We currently have 5 cameras connected, and if we want to save a video clip, let's say from the camera connected to channel 3, we just select that camera. And once we do, the video clip shown below appears. It is shown in green. If you click on play, it's going to play the entire video clip from beginning to the end. We can use these icons to fast forward, step forward, and all of that. To save the video clip, we come to this scissors icon here and click on it. Once we do that, we're going to have the 2 bars here. We can use them to adjust the part of the video clip where we want to save. After doing that, you can see that the scissors icon has changed to this save icon. Click on it, and once you do, you can then select the format you want to save the video clip as. I'm going to select MP4. Click on Save. And now we'll be able to save it onto an external device connected to our NVR. I have this flash drive connected to the NVR, so I can decide to save it here. Choose the directory you want to save it into and just click on OK. The video clip is going to move as is shown. And when it's done, it's going to be saved. This is how to save a video clip on the recorder.